was a nerd named Kaya. Karma said to Ichi, "As that weird probe and I'll give you 50K bet." Do you want to go to prom?
Mami, tatanggalin niya.
Yes, of course.
Mami, tatanggalin niya yung ito.
Discount training. Are you ready? I'm ready.
Mami, akap.
Stand up straight. Do not worry about charges.
Wala na sitaw?
Ew. Your hands are so
Wala din sa lasa?
ubus na.
Wala na daw.
Prom. She thought it was the best day.
Lagi na
It
ubus
was
na.
her worst nightmare.
Lagi ka lang isa lang nakakain.
Years passed and winter came.
Ay, ma!
But it's never turned winter
Bakit
into
mo
spring.
nagsisipa
It's not a miracle, it's a curse. And there's a new villain, winter. That's why the whole town is cold. Is that Kaya? What is she wearing? Isn't she cold? After years, they met. Ichi is curious why Kaya is not cold. Past. Last year, Kaya got heartbroken. Because of that, she became cold. Because of that, she became very cold and turned to evil winter. Because of heartbreak, she wants to freeze the whole town. She turned everything cold like her. After she freed everything, she went back home and turned to Kaya to check on Ichi. Everyone turned Lollipop to hide it. She teleported where Ichi is. Okay, that was so scary.